Welcome, friends, and what a beautiful day to play. Miss Muffin here, so let's get started. Today, we're gonna play with the Dora and Friends Cafe. So here we have Dora. Hi, guys. And her arms can move, and her head can move, and she can sit. And then we have cafe, and we have this table, which has got a pretty design on it, and this staircase, two pink chairs, this goes over a cake after it's baked, a cupcake, a food tray, and a cash register. And then these can also be used as charms on this bracelet. Like that. We take this staircase and we'll put it on right over here. There we go. Perfect. And then this is like that. We can set up chairs to be over here, like that. Or we can set those up down here in the cafe area. And then up here are instruments. There's a drum and a microphone and a guitar. And you can see them like that. And we can put this cupcake on this table down here and put this over it. And you can put our cash register over here. And Dora, look, she can play the guitar. She's all ready to play. Or she can sing la la la, or she can play the drums, boom 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 boom. This opens up and there's a fridge right here where you can get out cold things. There's some oranges, there's some bananas, there's some milkshakes, there's even some French fries and a hot dog. That's silly though, a hot dog and French fries don't need to be cold. Maybe they're saving them. So, Dora could walk around, la la la, she walked down these stairs, I think I'll eat a snack, maybe a cupcake. She walks down the stairs, she comes over here, and there's her cupcake. She takes it out, and she sits down, she sits down to eat it. And maybe a milkshake to wash it down. Maybe some bananas. That was great. Now I can ring it all up. Ding, 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 ding. Wait a second, I work here, so it's free. Hooray! Let's see the other side of this cafe. Put all our stuff in here and then turn it around. Wow, the other side is also very pretty. You can see another picture. This milkshake. Banner moves and the door opens. It also makes noises and phrases if you press this purple button. You want to press it, Dora? C. So she presses it.
Welcome to the Arcoiris Cafe.
Let's see what happens if we press it again.
To rock out, we need to find the guitar. Chitarra mágica.
That's the guitar.
Welcome to the
And we've already heard those phrases before, so we don't need to play it again. Okay guys, I have to go inside and make some more milkshakes. Thanks for playing. Play again soon sometime. And don't forget to subscribe to the Miss Muffin channel. Bye-bye. Welcome friends, and what a beautiful day to play. I'm Miss Muffin here, so let's get started. Today we're gonna play with the family adventure car from Dora the Explorer. Here we have the family adventure car, and the wheels move. And it's got a steering wheel that moves and a map.
Where do you want to go? Excelente! The twins love a good road trip. Vámonos! Let's go! Who do we ask for help when we don't know where to go? Map! Let's put on seatbelts so we can be safe. Me gusta la música. Great driving music. Do you want to drive over to mi casa? Let's take the twins for a ride. Vámonos! Let's pack a backpack. We're off on an adventure. ¡Qué canción! I love this song. Tengo una idea. Let's drive over to my house and play. The twins love a good road trip. Vámonos! Let's go! Let's check the map.
So there are a lot of phrases that this car says. Here's the trunk and the car. Perfect. Now let's get Dora out. And here's the car seat for the twins. The twins aren't actually in this. We can leave their cardboard cutouts right here. And the twins can go in the back seat like that. Perfect. And then Dora, here's Dora. Her head moves, her arms move. She's got her backpack. And she can sit right here. And she can press the map.
Vamos a conducir. Let's take the twins for a ride. Vámonos!
Let's take the twins for a ride. Good idea, Dora. Let's have you ride with us. Uh-oh. Forgot my backpack. So Dora grabs her backpack and puts it in the seat next to her. I'm driving. Wow, this is fun. It's fun to drive in my imagination. I'm not old enough to drive in real life though. You know that. And here, if we move these twin cutouts, I could sit in the twins' car seat. That's silly because I'm too big. Let's see if this map says anything else. Whoa.
Vamos a explorar.
Yeah.
The twins love a good road trip. Vámonos! Let's go!
And now it's starting to say things that we've already heard before. This is the perfect car. There's a D right there for Dora. It's a convertible with the wind in my hair. Let's drive it around a little bit more before we have to go. Oh, at my destination. Gotta grab my backpack and be on my way. It's time to do some more exploring. Thanks so much for playing with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to the Miss Muffin channel and come again soon to play sometime. Bye-bye! Welcome friends, and what a beautiful day to play. Miss Muffin here, so let's get started. Today, we're gonna play with the Bubble Guppies Clambulance. So here we have the Clambulance, and the wheels spin. And back here, that opens up to let our patients in and out. Here we have our Clambulance driver. Put right there. Then we have Molly. She's wearing her doctor coat and has got her stethoscope. And this Clambulance driver is a crab. He's got his pinchers and a white hat. And then Avi here is in this stretcher bed. Got a broken fin. Oh no, Avi's hurt. Also wearing a protective helmet. So, Avi's laying hurt there. And the Clambulance driver and Molly are in the Clambulance. Woo woo! We just got a call that someone's hurt. Let's go! They get to the scene, they turn around, open out there, they bring out the stretcher, and Molly swims out. Are you okay, Avi? Oh, I'm hurt. Molly picks him up, puts him in here. Oh. Oof, that feels so much better. Well, we still have to get you to the hospital. We still have to do a full checkup on you. Molly wheels him back in to the ambulance, just like this. There we go. And we shut the door. Oof. To the hospital. And get there. Molly comes out first. She brings out the stretcher. Whew. Lucky that we made it in record time. Okay, we've got to get you into the hospital. Can I get some more help? And the Clambulance driver comes out to help Molly. And together, they're gonna bring Avi into the hospital. Okay guys, thanks for playing with us today. This sure was a rescue situation and I was glad to have your help. For more good times, subscribe to the Miss Muffin channel. Come back again and play sometime. Bye! Welcome friends, and what a beautiful day to play. Miss Muffin here, so let's get started. Today we're gonna play with Dora's Pony Adventure Pony Stable. So here we have Dora, and her head moves, and her arms move, and her feet move. She can sit, and then she's wearing her horse apron, which we can take off if we want to, so she's just wearing her riding pants, or we can leave it on. And then we have this hay for the horse. It goes in this horse trough, like that. And then we have this comb, Dora the Explorer it says on it, to comb the horse's tail and mane. And then here we have the horse. There's a rubber band on here that I'm gonna get off. And the horse has a beautiful mane, and it's got brown eyes, and it's got a purple saddle. And then over here, the horse's tail. Oopsies. And we can brush the tail like that. And we can brush the horse's mane like this. Perfect. Just perfect. And then here's the stable. And the stable has a gate that opens like that. It's got a butterfly right there. A rabbit. And then here's the stable. There's some hay. And there's a watering trough. And horses can go here and here. And people walk through this. And then over here is part of a gate. So if we put a horse into the stable, the horse can be right here. Hello, look at my horse. Look how pretty she is. This bridge can go right here. Perfect, just like that. And if we turn this around, we can visit the horse in the stable. Hello, beautiful pony. And Dora can brush the horse's hair. La la la. This is so much fun. And you can feed the horse some hay. Put the hay right here. We can hook the hay onto the post right there. Very nice. And the horse can even move its head like that. We can finish brushing the horse and then Dora can go for a ride. I'd like to go for a ride over the bridge. Would you like to join me? Now that my horse is eaten, let's go. And Dora hops on. She's all ready to ride. And they'll ride through the stable. And they ride through the stable like that. Until we get to the other side. And here comes Dora and her horse. And then here. Whoa! Whoopsies! Let's sit Dora down right here while we get this bridge set up. And now they can ride over the bridge. Like that. Oh, that was fun. Thanks for playing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to the Miss Muffin channel for more adventures with me. All right, bye. So there are 3 eggs in each box. Which gives us a total of 6 eggs. So let's open this first one. There's Olaf on the front. Ooh, it's the ice monster. Whoa, very scary. Okay, let's see what's next. This one is Anna on the front. What do you guys think it's going to be? I'm gonna guess that it's Olaf. It's Anna. Wow. Let's see, this one's got Elsa on the front. This egg looks a little cracked already. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, this egg was already cracked. Oh no. What do you think is gonna be in this one? I think it's gonna be Elsa. Let's look. It's Olaf. Hi guys, Olaf here. Okay, 3 more eggs to go. This one's got Elsa on the front. What do you think this one will be? Shout it out right as I'm opening it. What do you think? It's Elsa. Wow, she looks beautiful. Two more eggs to go. This one's got Anna on the front. What do you think it is? It's Elsa again. Now you can share one with a friend. And for the very last egg. I'm gonna guess that it's Olaf. Oh wow, it's Kristoff. Very fun. Wow, we got a whole bunch of characters. Say goodbye. Goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe to the Miss Muffin channel. Welcome friends, and what a beautiful day to play Miss Muffin here, so let's get started. Today, we're gonna play with the Mega Bloks Hello Kitty. So here we have Hello Kitty, and she's got a red bow on, and her head moves, and her arms move a little bit. And she is all ready to go. Will you help me build my sailboat? Meow. It's very pretty. Of course we will. Let's get started. And here we go. Miss Kitty's sailboat is all ready. She has her flippers right there. Ooh, whoa, in case she needs them. And there's a sign out there that says, watch out for dolphins. You ready to sail, Miss Muffin? Mm-hmm, meow, let's go. And she sails and she sails. Wow. Whoosh. She lays down in the sun. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Ah, thanks for helping me build my sailboat. Don't forget to subscribe to the Miss Muffin channel. Bye-bye. Meow.